like Gerald said, we really do appreciate you all the hard work that went into planning the wedding. I have a few specific special thanks. I want to thank my church family from St. Peter's for coming out. Woo! I know it was a long drive, but thank you so much. I also would like to thank, I don't know if she's still here, but, Miss Linda Kearney. She is like my second mom. She's done a lot of behind the scenes, trying to make this day very special. Thank you so much. Of course, I want to thank Mr. Porter for your son. Thank you so much for inviting me with open arms into your family. Of course, my parents, Miss Kate, Mama. This is really all her creation, so she knows I'm not a planner. But her and her friends, her counseling friends, this is all them. And if it were not for them, we would probably be in the Bahamas right now. So, thank you for all the friends that came out. Of course, my bridesmaids, it's an honor. Thank you for leaving your sick baby here. Thank you, Naomi, from New York, Gina, Leandra, Miracle Paris, everybody. Just thank you so much. And of course, my new family coming from Africa to be here.
Yeah!
We miss everybody. Please forgive our nerves. But thank you.
All right, I have to do this because the bridal party said that they were going to hang me if I didn't. So you guys come to the middle of the floor. This is on them. They told me to do this. So I need you guys to join us as well, bridal party. Those of you at the bridal party, they told me that if I didn't play this song, I wasn't going to be able to leave alive. So I figured I'd just go ahead and play it. And anybody else that wants to join them. Anybody else that want to join them now? If you guys don't know how to do the wobble, I hope y'all going to teach you.
Wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby.
All right, if you don't wobble, listen, the cake table is open. Please come get yourself some dessert. Please come get yourself some dessert. But if you wobble, come on and wobble with us.
They'll trickle in. Yeah. Holla. Go ahead, Lonnie. You know you get your wobble in.
Shouldn't dance like her daddy.
Baby, wobble, baby, wobble, baby.
Make get away, get away. Girl, wobble it, yeah, wobble it. See you moving your hands, you can get with me, I'm straight ragged, and the girls say, man, yeah, girl, so sit back, can't help my flow, yeah, boy, gotta give like you gotta be Christmas. Swag on this like you gotta be gifted. On cameras, and they won't be this, and they won't brag, but I've seen it. Little to the veil, what I'm saying, the scriptures. Cause I be the one like a friend of temple. I'm here with a letter of pencil. If I ain't gon' miss you, go back issue. Take your damn bag, cause you got pistol. And I'm mad, now you make her all these dishes.
Alright, again, if you guys don't wobble, that's okay, but come and get some cake. I heard the white cake with the white inside is like absolutely fantastic, so.
Back it up.
Show me what you got.